Unpack all parts that come with the machine for easier identification. Insert the septum into the designated hole. Ensure the dual ventilation ducts are installed in the correct direction. Align the holes and secure with screws. Attach the septum to the cylinder. Connect the cylinder to the wind tube and tighten with screws. Install the support rods for the bags on both sides and tighten with screws. Ensure both the upper and lower bags are correctly placed into the card slots. Connect the tube from the machine to the dust collector. Wrap all tubes with Teflon tape. Connect the air inlet tubes and filter. Attach the small tubes to the inlet and outlet hole. Connect the muffler to the second vacuum air outlet. Connect the tube from the outlet of the first vacuum air outlet to the inlet of the second vacuum air outlet and secure with hose clips. Use a long tube to connect the air filter to the machine. Use a Phillips screwdriver to open the cover for wire connections. Use at least 4.4 kilowatts wire and ensure the power supply is 220 volt single phase. Connect the inlet and outlet water pipe. Fill the chiller with water until it reaches the full grade. Connect your air compressor. Attach the air pipe and set the air pressure between 0.6 megapascal and 0.8 megapascal. Turn the adjustment knob to the right to increase pressure and to the left to decrease pressure. Tighten the CNC tool clips to its proper place. Unpack all parts from the toolbox. Unpack the CNC bit tool and open it. Select the appropriate bit holder for your bit size and attach it to the CNC bit tool. Place the bit into its proper position on the bit holder. Bit holder, used for fastening bit milling. Connect the assembled tool holder and bit to the CNC tool clips. Vacuum holder, need to stay tight. Pour water into the liquid bottle. Add lubricating oil to the designated bottle located at the back of the machine. Connect the vacuum wire to the electric control cabinet. Connect the machine's main power wire. Connect the Ethernet cable from the control card to the PC. Connect the remote control to the PC. Turn on the chiller. Switch on the main power for the machine. Power up the vacuum pump. Activate the vacuum tube from the machine. Press the green button on the left side of the spindle. You will hear air release. Insert the CNC tool into the spindle. Release the green button to secure the tool in place. The RX6 automatically calibrates bits, eliminating the need for manual calibration for each bit. The RX6 features 6 tool holders and can change tools automatically via software. Your machine is now successfully assembled and ready for operation.